In a year, there are 12 months, 52 weeks, or 365 days. It is actually a long period of time. But the fact is that for most of us, time is just too short and will never be enough. It is never enough to do our work, to achieve our goals, to make more money, or to reach a higher position in our office. People keep asking what the meaning of life is, why they have to live, if life itself is just like a maze that brings them nowhere. As time goes, people get older. A generation will disappear from this world and replaced by another generation. Every generation just have a lifetime to deal with. It's a pity that most people just having a superficial life, a meaningless life. They keep achieving things in their job, but they never satisfied. They solve problems, but there are always new problems waiting ahead. If we see it deeper, people are not lacked of money. They are not lacked of power or even achievements. They lacked of something greater than that, something that we call the center of life. People lacked of beauty, as what Fyodor Dostoevsky said. Man can live without science. He can live without bread. But without beauty, he could no longer live, because there would no longer be anything to do to the world. But what is beauty? Beauty is a property of things that bring peace and delight when we behold them. When things are known, their truth and their goodness bring peace and delight to the person who beholds them. Therefore, as what Saint Thomas Aquinas said, the beautiful is that which is pleasing to behold. To behold is discovering the true, where the true is, and as long as something is good, worth behold it. As a consequence, Aristotle stated that the highest happiness is behold the true, rejoice with something that is good. The beauty of things is perceived by the knowing powers, by the senses, especially sight and hearing, by the intelligence, or by the concurrence of both. Thus, the supreme beauty of God is quite different from the finite beauty of creatures. However, we can discover the beauty of God through the beauty of the nature. All the observations concerning the nature lead to a similar conclusion. Every of the natural world presents an internal finality which arouses admiration. This finality obliges one to suppose a mind which is its inventor, its creator. Human intelligence is surely already capable of finding a response to the question of origins. The existence of God, the Creator, can be known with certainty through His works by the light of human reason. We believe that God created the world according to his wisdom. It is not the product of any necessity whatever, nor of blind faith or chance. Created in God's image and called to know and love him. The person who seeks God discovers certain ways of coming to know him. These ways of approaching God from creation have a twofold point of departure: the physical world and the human person. The world, starting from movement, becoming, contingency, and the world's order and beauty, one can come to a knowledge of God as the origin and the end of the universe. As what Saint Augustine said, question the beauty of the earth, question the beauty of the sea, question the beauty of the air distending and diffusing itself, question the beauty of the sky, question all these realities, all respond, see, we are beautiful. Their beauty is a profession. These beauties are subject to change. Who made them, if not the beautiful one, who is not subject to change?